Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition one digit. The lessons we're going to cover today are addition one digit, ways to make a number sums to 10, add one digit numbers, addition with pictures sums to 20, and writing addition sentences sums to 10. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition one digit. So how do we add? You need to count them separately first, and then you have to count them together. For example, and here you have one. You need to together, so 1, 2, and 3. So their total cans are 3. Let's just start with the test questions. 4 plus 2. So you need to count them together. Let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the correct option is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. 6 plus 3, which is the correct option. That is 9. The correct option is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 plus 2, which is the correct option. That is 6. 4 plus 2 makes 6. 5 plus 0, which is the correct option. The correct option is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 1, which is the correct option. That is 10. Option number 3 is the correct option. 8 plus 1, which is the correct option. 8 plus 1 makes 9. The correct option is 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. 3 plus 1, which is the correct option? That is 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that is ways to make a number sums to 10. How do you make one? So you are given more than one options, right? You have to see how to make one. Let's just start with the test questions where we are given with the options. Which is not a way to make 2. Not a way. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 0 is 2 and 1 plus 1 makes 2. So the one that is not a way to make 2 is option number 1. That is 1 plus 2. The correct option is option number 1. That is 1 plus 2. How do you make 4? Which is the correct option? You have to make 4. So just add, see which option makes 4. 3 plus 1 makes 4. 3 plus 2 makes 5. And 1 plus 0 makes 1. So which is the correct option? Which option makes 4? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 3 plus 1. How do you make 10? Which is the correct option? That is 7 plus 3 makes 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 1. So you don't have to make 1, right? So you need to select the option that does not makes 1. So um, let's just add 1 plus 0 makes 1. 0 plus 1 makes 1 and 1 plus 1 makes 2. So that is the option that is not a way to make 1. Option number 3 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 9. You don't have to make 9, right? Option number 2 is the correct option because that is the one that makes 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. How do you make 8? That is 6 plus 2. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is that is add one digit numbers. Add 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 5 makes 6. You have to start with a greater number and count up till the smaller one. So 5 plus 1 makes 6. Let's just start with the test questions. Add 3 plus 2 makes 5. The correct option is 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Start with a greater number and count up till the smaller one. Nine plus 9, which is the correct option. That makes 18. Option number 3 is the correct option. Seven plus 7. That makes 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 plus 5 makes 6 it is. The correct option is 6. 0 plus 8 makes 8. That is option number 2. The correct option is 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition with pictures sums up to 20. So adding with pictures is very easy. You need to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 plus 6 makes 7. Let's just start with the test questions. Add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 makes that is 7. The correct option is 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 7 plus 10. So which is the correct option? That is 17. Option number 1 is the correct option. Four plus 1, the correct option is 5. You just have to count them all together. That makes 5. 8 plus 9, which is the correct option? That is 17. The correct option is 17. Option number 3 is the correct option. 1 plus 0. That is 1. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, that is writing addition sentences sums to 10. 0 plus 8 makes 10. You need to write this sentence in mathematical form. So 0 plus means you need to add this, make the addition sign. 8 and makes means they are equal to it. So 0 plus 8 makes 8. Let's just start with the test questions. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. You need to count 1 plus 1, 1 blue and 1 orange. That makes 1 plus 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 2, that is 3 plus 1. 2 and 5 makes 7, which is the correct option. That is 2 plus 5 equals 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which picture shows 1 plus 3 equals 4, which is the correct option? That is option number 1. 1 green and 3 yellow makes 4, so 1 plus 3 equals 4. Which picture shows 3 plus 6 equals 9? Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 3 plus 6. Which picture shows 7 plus 2 equals 9? Option number 3 is the correct option, that is 7 plus 2. One plus 2 equals 3, which is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. That is 4 plus 6 equals 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we're working on is addition one digit. The lessons we have covered today are addition one digit, ways to make a number sums to 10, add one digit numbers, addition with pictures sums to 20, writing addition sentences sums to 10. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask questions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.